Hi guys, this is Keshika and welcome to our channel Amethyst Awakening. Today we're going to do a yes or no pick a card reading and we have 4 groups with us. Now this reading, the number of the groups are not right to left or left to right as per the stone. So just while you're choosing the timestamps, be a little careful of that, okay? Now group number 1 is the red jasper, which is this card. Group number 2 is the rose quartz, which is this card. Group number 3 is this white stone, which is this card, and group number 4 is the pyrite stone, which is this card. Alright, now I want you guys to take a minute and close your eyes, pause the video if needed after you listen to the instructions, obviously, and take a deep breath, think of whatever your question is, and center yourself in yourself, okay, at like your navel. And in case you're asking this about another person, then think of the other person and have only that person in mind if the question is relating you and them. Don't think of like a third party or a third person, basically. Just think of you and that person and then choose a card for your answer. Yeah, you will get a little more information other than a yes or no because it's tarot cards. But let's see what comes up for you, and I'm going to begin with the readings. You can pause if you like. Hi, group number 1, welcome to your reading. Let's see what's in store for you. Okay, the answer to your question is no. It's a little difficult at the moment to get this up and running and to ground this relationship because either you are not wanting to accept the situation or what is being offered, and maybe your person does not want to accept what is being offered by you. So there is some disconnect and you all are not really on the same page. So no, especially not at this time. Maybe you can check another time if you like, but right now the answer I'm getting is no. This relationship or the situation, there is a disconnect. So if this is not a love situation, also whatever this is, like from a grounding perspective, it is tough to ground this. And we had the red jasper, which is again for like root chakra and grounding and stuff. And we have the lovers card in reverse for you guys. I'm gonna take this as no, and there's a disconnect. Okay, that's the message basically. Why is it a no? Because there's a disconnect between what you want and what the other person wants, or what the situation is. Basically, all the people involved, there is a disconnect. There is a lack of harmony, and hence it is a no. I really hope this helped you or gave you some clarity in some way. Please do let me know how this resonates in your situation, or just say hi and let me know you were here in the comment section below. I would like to say though, everything happens in alignment with your greatest good. So even if something's not working out right now, like, don't let it make you sad, and just stay optimistic about your life and the situation in general, and what's meant for you and what's best for you will come to you at the right time in the right way. And that's the universe's job to ensure, not your job to ensure. You just have to keep doing your best in every moment and just be your true self, and everything else is going to be taken care of. In case you want a private reading on your particular situation, then you can reach out to me on Instagram, Facebook, or my email ID, all of which are in the description box below. In case you would like to watch another yes or no reading or some other pick a card reading, then there are lots of those on the channel. There are also other guidance videos on the channel that you can check out. And please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, engage, help the channel grow, help the message reach more people, and just help me help you and help me help others. And just like, I'll be really grateful. It just like gives me pleasure, and it obviously helps me as well, but I just love helping you guys as well. So I would really love that. I am immensely grateful. Thank you for stopping by, and I shall see you around another time. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 2, welcome to your reading. We're gonna see what your card is. Oh, you guys have got 2 cards, okay? There is gonna be a realization here. This does seem like a love question, and the answer that you're getting is a no. I feel like you're going to realize why it is a no and why that love offer isn't coming. There is a strong sense of desire over here. You really desire that person or that situation or whatever you're asking for, even if this is not romantic. Like, there is a strong desire over here, and there is a strong sense of love and compassion and companionship and just like completion that you get from the situation, and you would really like that to happen. I do see a lot of root chakra energy, but we also have the rose quartz, which is like heart chakra energy, which needs to come into place, I think, for you to realize also and see that perspective of why this is not coming through. But as of now, I'm getting a no. I really hope this helped you in some way and this resonated in your situation, and it's probably like helping you figure the direction of what you should do next. And in case you would like a one-on-one and get an in-depth on your situation, then I would love to set that up for you. My email ID, Instagram and Facebook are in the description box below. There are also a lot of other pick a card readings, subjective and objective, on the channel, which you can check out, and there are other guidance videos as well. Please let me know you stop by in the comment section below. I would love to get to know who you are and just say hi and get a glimpse or just like know of your presence in general. And please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. It really helps the channel and I would be immensely grateful. I am really grateful that you stopped by, and I hope to see you around next time. Until then, bye bye. Hi, group number 3, welcome to your reading. Your situation, and I feel like I just can't hold this information in any longer, requires inner child healing, okay? Or else maybe there is something that is in link with childhood or children, or just like childishness or your inner child in general, okay? Let's see what your answer is. Your answer is yes. For some of you, it could be like, yes, this person is toxic or this situation is toxic. For the other people or the other few, it could mean like, yes, it does make sense. But whatever it is, like the situation basically, the answer to your question is a yes, and the situation basically is calling for you to rationalize with your mind and to think it through, okay? So like you need to think of the situation more logically and use your intelligence a little more in the situation, okay? And I feel like you need to think like a man a little, like with tapping into your male energy a little more than your feminine energy, even though like gender doesn't matter. When I mean like think like a man, I mean like male energy, okay? Yeah, you need wisdom in the situation and it's coming, and maybe it might come from some like intelligent male energy in your life that you look up to and you think like this person's really smart and they really sort of bring that energy in my life, then this is the person you should reach out to. For those of you who are sensing it was toxic, yes, you should use your brain sort of and rationalize the situation and see what you want to do and what this is. You are your best judge, obviously, but if you're not sensing that, then that's not for you. You can let that information go, because this reading is a general reading for a lot of people. Some of you require inner child healing and you'll have not had the best relationships, and your relationship with your father or like male authority figures in your life has been a little distorted, and maybe you think men are dumb or like male energy in general and you're more towards your feminine side or something. Like there is some sort of repulsion towards male energy maybe, and or some sort of imbalance over there with your masculine also, and with masculines externally also. So if you don't really get along with masculines, then you need healing in that aspect, and you need to heal your masculine energy and do child healing there. And if that's not the case, then maybe there is intelligent male energy that you look up to who might give you the wisdom you need for this situation. And if that is also not the case, then you just need to like think about the situation very wisely and make a decision. Or you might get a few realizations, or you might get progress in thinking about this at nocturnal hours, like in the night. rather than in the day and in the winter. I feel like if this is sometime close to winter, then one of the winter nights is when you're going to have like this profound realization that is going to help you in the situation. And the answer to your question is a yes. I really hope this resonated in your situation, group number 3. Do let me know in the comment section below how it did, and just that you have stopped by. I will love to get to know you and see who you are. If you don't want to keep your identity a secret, that would be great. And if you're looking for a private session and you would like me to like help you with your situation in specific, then my email ID, Instagram, and Facebook are in the description box below. You can reach out to me there, and I would love to set something up for you. And even otherwise, I would love to hear from you. I don't know why I'm fumbling all of a sudden, but clarity of thoughts are needed, and calmness is needed, like a little calmness, and clear words are required. So maybe if you're going too fast and you're not being able to cope, then just bring in some clarity and precision in the situation. Wisdom is needed. Some of you might be old, or the situation might have something to do with old people or people who've started getting white hair. Like either you have started getting white hair, or like you might by the end of getting this decision or whatever. Like it's a little like figuratively also, but like you have to think like a wise person over here, or you need advice from a wise person in the situation, or because of your distorted relationship with a older person in the past, there is some healing that is required in that area. Having said that, I would just like to say that please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and see me again. I would love to see you again sometime. Okay, until next time then, bye bye. Group number 3, I think the cards that I saw sort of related to you as well. So in case you feel like you find it difficult to share in life, and you're a little possessive about things, and also if there is some sort of abandonment fear, or like you feel left out often in situations, and that stems from your relationship with the person who played the role of your father in your life. Okay, and revisit it a little, look into it a little, and try to see their perspective also and your perspective also, and just rationalize the situation and try to like move on from whatever wound you have from there and heal that, so that you can move ahead afresh in life. I really hope this helped you, and I will see you around group number 3. Bye bye. Hi, group number 4, welcome to your reading. You guys are probably concerned about protection and security, or about wealth and money, and that sort of seems mainly like root chakra energy, root chakra, sacral chakra energy, and I feel like throat also for some of you. To be able to express your concerns and just feel safe and secure to be who you are. Let's see what the answer to your question is. Okay, yikes. The answer to your question is a yes. Yes, it's a yes. The reason I said yikes is because it's a card. So you have been through a very hurtful situation, or whatever you're asking for sort of pains you a lot, and it's causing a lot of pain for most of you, and maybe you're really stretching yourself to meet ends, and it's really like painful, and you just want to scream sometimes, and you're really concerned about your protection and like tons of other things, and like it's very hurtful whatever has happened or whatever is happening or whatever this is triggering memory of. But overall, there is some sense of things tearing apart and being like, even if they are put together, it's never going to be like back to what it was before. And that seems to be your concern. The answer to the question though is yes, and I feel like you are safe in the situation, and that is something you really need to know. And please work with a pyrite or any other stone, or just in general with your root chakra, and work on your aspects around safety. Maybe like do some manifestations or some affirmations around safety and security. It will really help your case, really. And remember, in a tree, like even after all the leaves are shed, new leaves come again. Just because the leaves aren't there at present doesn't mean the tree has died. Okay, so the situation can get better, the situation can improve, and things can turn around, and it can get much prettier than maybe it was before as well, you know. So give it a shot. Yes, you are safe. And rise and shine. Okay? Be your true self and rise and shine. And you see how like shiny the stone is? Just shine like it, like sparkle, twinkle, and like do all of that. It's so funny, like not really funny, but it's noteworthy, I would say, that just before like recording this video, I did like healing meditation sort of activity where I sort of filled the whole world with sparkles, and this is just reminding me of that, and I feel like I did all of that to like make those sparkles reach you and so that you all can shine, and like everything's like nice and glittery and magic everywhere. So that was sort of the intention, and I feel like I specifically did that for you guys. Like I really feel that now. And it's not something I normally do, like fill the world with sparkles. I do other things like, but like sparkles is like the first time. I like filling my room with sparkles or my house with sparkles. But like, yeah, I did that for the world this time in my imagination, and I feel like that was for you guys. I hope you're experiencing a little sparkle now, and just like shut your eyes, like experience those sparkles falling upon you, and like, you know, just making it nice and bright and shiny and just like happy and pretty, and you're safe and secure, and the answer is yes. Work through your hurt, okay? Work through your hurt. It does get better. It does, definitely. I'm gonna put this back. Okay. If you want me to look at your situation in specific, then please reach out to me on my Instagram, Facebook, or email ID, all of which are in the description box below. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, engage in whichever way you can and you are comfortable engaging. It really helps grow the channel and get the message to more and more people, and it really helps me to continue helping you guys out as well. Please say hi in the comment section below. I would love to know who you are, if you can, that is, and if you're comfortable with like commenting on videos online. But you can like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I don't know, it's like you guys like are just like sitting with the closing speech that I am giving rather than just saying bye. Something's coming, I think. Wait. Things will get better. You gotta trust the situation, and the situation sort of testing you on trust and your security. And I feel like you have been hurt a lot in the past, and I can see that, but I really feel like my crown chakra is getting worked upon right now. So maybe work upon your crown chakra along with your root and heart chakra, and that's gonna help you. And yeah, and there's nothing else that I really, at this point of time in this reading, there's nothing else I can help you with in terms of information. But if there is any other doubt that comes to mind, then please come around and watch another reading, and or pick another part and you will get your answer there, okay? I'm gonna see you guys there. Until then, bye bye. Take care.